Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch back to a classic Facebook page. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google Facebook, and you simply need to log in into your Facebook account, and then you simply need to click on this switch icon and you simply need to switch into your Facebook page. So let me switch to this page. So click on see all profiles and let me select my page. So once you switch into your page, you simply need to click on three dots, and under invite friends you simply need to switch to classic Facebook page design. So unfortunately this option is not available for my page, but you will find option here. But if that option is not available for you, then there is no option to switch back. So unfortunately I am unable to switch back on my this specific Facebook page. So this is a process by which you can switch back to classic Facebook page. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.